హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 6th క్లాస్ సైన్స్ 13th లెసన్ లెర్నింగ్ హౌ టు మెజర్ నుంచి ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, 1 కిలోమీటర్ ఈజ్ 1000 times లాంగర్ దెన్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ మీటర్, బి సెంటీమీటర్, సి మిల్లీమీటర్, డి హెక్టామీటర్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ మీటర్. Second question, protractor is our compass box is marked with A 0 to 360 degrees, B 0 to 180 degrees, and C 10 to 120 degrees. Option D 0 to 280 degrees. Correct option is 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Third question, distance travelled by aeroplane or ship is measured by A nautical miles, B kilometers, C feet, D light year. Correct option is nautical miles. And fourth question, the volume of liquids are written in A ml, B centimeter, C mm, D kl. Correct answer is ml. And fifth question, 1 centimeter is equal dash mm. 1 centimeter is equal 10 mm. And sixth question, the length of world longest bridge is A 120.3 kilometers, B 113.2 kilometers, option C 218.3 kilometers, option D 164.8 kilometers. Correct option is option D 164.8 kilometers. And seventh question, 1 foot is equal dash inches. A 9, B 3 inches, C 12 inches, D 6. Correct answer is C 12 inches. And eighth question, which is correct statement? Option A 1 centimeter is equal 100 mm, option B 1 meter is equal 100 centimeters, option C 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meters, option D all of this. Correct answer is option C 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meters. Ninth question, the area of irregular shaped body is measured by A scale, B tape, C graph paper, D none of the above. Correct answer is C graph paper. And 10th question, the volume of irregular body is measured by A measuring flask, B tape, C scale, D graph sheet. Correct answer is measuring flask A. And 11th question, which is standard unit of length? A cubit, B meter, C foot span, D hand span. Correct answer is B meter. And protractor ranges from A 90 degrees to 180 degrees, B 0 to 90 degrees, C 0 to 180 degrees, D none of the above. Correct answer is 0 to 180 degrees. And 13th question, 1 centimeter is equal dash mm. Correct answer is 1 centimeter is equal 10 mm. And 14th question, thickness of coin is measured with A graph paper, B tape, C scale, D measuring flask. Correct option is option C scale. And 15th question, 1 foot is equal dash yard. Option A 1/2 part, option B 1/3 part, option C 1/4 part, option D 1/10 part. Correct answer is option B 1/3 part. And 16th question, 1 kilometer is equal dash meters. A 10 meters, B 100 meters, C 1000 meters, D 10,000 meters. Correct answer is 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meters. And 17 question, area of square is equal to A side into side, B side by side, C side plus side, D side cube. Correct answer is side into side. And next 18th question, 1 meter is equal dash centimeters. A 100, B 50, C 1000, D 10. Correct answer is equal 1 meter is equal 100 centimeters.
Thanks for watching.